Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are tired of manually typing commands into your terminal every time you want to test a snippet of code, you need CodeRunner. It's one of the most popular extensions for Visual Studio Code because it lets you run almost any programming language with just one click. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to set it up and a few pro tips to make it even better. Let's get right to it. First, let's get the extension installed. Open up Visual Studio Code and head over to the Extensions tab in the left sidebar. In the search bar at the top, type in CodeRunner. You're looking for the one by Jun Hun. It has millions of downloads and a little orange run icon. Go ahead and hit install. Once that's finished, you'll notice a brand new play button in the top right corner of your editor. To test it out, open any code file, whether it's Python, JavaScript, C++, or Java, and just click that play button. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-N. Visual Studio Code will instantly run your code and show the output in the Output tab at the bottom of your screen. Now here's a crucial pro tip. By default, the Output tab is read-only, meaning you can't type into it if your code asks for user input. To fix this, we need to make one quick change in your settings. Click the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Select Settings and search for the word Run in Terminal. Look for the checkbox labeled CodeRunner Run in Terminal and make sure it's checked. Now, when you hit play, your code runs in the integrated terminal instead, allowing you to actually interact with your program. Finally, if you want to keep your workspace clean, I highly recommend checking one more setting called Clear Previous Output. This ensures that every time you hit that play button, the terminal wipes away the old results, so you're only looking at your latest run. And that's it. You have officially automated your workflow. If this quick setup guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know which language you use CodeRunner for the most, and I will see you in the next one.